Here's a recipe I came up with that I'm really enjoying. I'll share it and see if other people enjoy it as well. So I start with japalino juice, japalino pepper juice, and sometimes I'll leave the little bits at the end. I happen to have gotten most of everything out of this one, but I leave the seeds for sure, and then of course the spicy pickling juice. And then I will add some of this coleslaw mix. So it's a couple of different kinds of cabbage, and there might be some carrots in there. And then I'll attempt to get it in here. Probably should use a funnel. And I'll pack it in until I have to pack it in. Like the water, the juice will come up and surround the cabbage, but I'll keep putting it in here until it won't fit in anymore. And the nature of this type of thing is in a few days it'll reduce, it'll squish the cabbage down, and you'll be able to add more if you want. But you get the idea. I'm replacing the japalinos with cabbage, and what this ends up with is a kabuchi kind of thing, where the cabbage gets very soft in the spicy pickling juice, and super spicy from the japalinos, and pretty good. So try it out. It's great on sandwiches, and it's pretty epic if you put it into salads. It's crunchy. Well, I guess it depends on how long you leave it in there, but it'll be crunchy, it'll be super spicy, and it's kind of like a hot slaw. So let me know what you think. I'm going to try it with some other types of peppers, as in addition to the japalinos. Alright, so hopefully you'll enjoy this. Let us know what you think.